You are on bond for a tampering case, and you've now picked up a burglary of a motor vehicle. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 14th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer was flagged down by the complaining witness. The complaining witness advised the officer that a male had just broken into the complaining witness's motor vehicle and drove off in a different motor vehicle. Another witness observed the defendant break into the complaining witness's motor vehicle and provided cell phone video to the police. Additionally, the complaining witness observed the defendant break into his motor vehicle and chased the defendant through the parking lot. The officer pursued the defendant on foot. The defendant was detained and positively identified by both the witness and the complaining witness. The defendant admitted to breaking the complaining witness's window.
What time of day or night was this? Or was it during the day?
It's in the daytime, it appears, Your Honor, but also, like when you read the summary, it looks like an officer detained him on a bicycle and that he was wearing different clothes from the description of the foot pursuit, that clothes were ditched.
I don't know.
So then they did a drive-by identification of the suspect.
Mr. Robinson, what is the one thing I asked you not to do? The one thing I asked you not to do. Not be a danger to my city or pick up a new case. You've now picked up a very I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. And
this defendant was already on bond for tampering, and now he's accused of breaking into a car. On April 14th, 2025, in Harris County, a witness flagged down police after seeing a man smash a vehicle window and drive off in another car. Another bystander captured phone video that allegedly shows a break-in. Officers chased the suspect through a parking lot, detained him about 100 meters later, and both witnesses positively identified him. The defendant even admitted to breaking the window. Daytime, caught on video, and eyewitnesses placing him at the scene. This one looks serious.
I'm now going to put a monitor on you so I know where you are at all times. If you get out of custody, because now I'm revoking your bond, you will go to jail. If he gets out, GPS monitor not to go within 500 feet.
He has a GPS monitor on him.
Putting him in custody. No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, no going within 500 feet of where the complaining witness lives, work. And I'm going to tell you now, because I don't know if you're going to get out, but if you do, you endanger my city again. I'm going to go ballistic on all of your bonds. Do you understand? Goes with you.
I have a
Judge, I have no reason to doubt that.
Scott, just, there's no need. It's done.
Part of the time.
But the report isn't perfect. There are odd details. One officer detained a man on a bicycle. Witnesses described different clothing, and it appears the suspect may have ditched clothes before being identified in a drive-by. Still, the court sees enough to act. Judge tells the defendant what he told him before. Do not be a danger or pick up new charges. Now he's done it. The court finds probable cause to proceed and immediately revokes bond. If this defendant ever gets out, he'll wear a GPS monitor, so the court can track him at all times. He's ordered no alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, and to stay at least 500 feet from the complaining witnesses. Break those rules, and the judge warns he'll go ballistic on every bond you've got. Final result: probable cause found, bond revoked, GPS monitoring and strict no-contact/no drug conditions ordered. Court finds probable cause to proceed. Bond is revoked. If released, defendant must wear a GPS monitor, avoid alcohol/drugs/weapons, and stay 500 feet away from complaining witnesses. Violate it, and the court will incarcerate and increase bond